Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in TL7 which is all about feeding management of poultry and livestock. This will be the second quarter topic and learning competency number 13 and 14. This lesson is under the Matatag curriculum. The objectives: by the end of the lesson, 80% of the learners will be able to: first is to differentiate between the various feeding methods. The second one is to demonstrate the proper techniques for feed preparation and distribution. And the third one is to appreciate the rule of feeding management in sustainable animal husbandry practices by doing a benchmarking. In activating the prior knowledge, the students will answer the mind mapping. So students will write relevant terms or phrases on the feeding management of poultry and livestock. So the students will write as many as they can. In establishing purpose of the lesson, in unlocking of content vocabulary, the students will answer the match type activity. Feed is any material which are processed, semi-processed, or raw intended to be fed directly to farm animals. In this way, they meet nutrient requirements to maintain life, promote growth and production and reproduction. Feed additive, it refers to the ingredients added to the basic mixed feed. It is usually used in the micro quantities and it requires careful handling and mixing. It has no nutritive value but adds quality and efficacy. Feed ingredient is a component part of the mixture making up a feed has or has no nutritional value in the animal's diet. For example, the plant, animals, or aquatic ingredient or organic or inorganic substances. Feed supplement is a feed ingredients or mixtures of feed ingredients to supply deficiencies in a ration or improve the nutritive balance or performance of the total mixture. The commonly used feed ingredients that are good sources of energy, this includes the banana meal, barley, cassava, corn, oats, rice, sorghum, cane sugar, and wheat. The following are the good sources of protein. The following are the non-protein nitrogen sources. Dairy products, this includes the buttermilk powder, lactose powder, skim milk powder, whey powder, and whole milk powder. For the fats and oil, this includes the acidulated oil, coconut oil, palm and kernel oil, palm olein, soybean oil, and used cooking oil. The following are the feed supplement and additives having calcium and phosphorus content. The following are the feed supplements containing sodium and chlorine. Feed additives include the acidifying agent, anti-caking agent, anti-molds, antioxidants, dextrose anhydrous, enzyme, flavoring sweeteners, hormones, immune enhancer, nutritional metabolites, pellate binder, pigmenters, prebiotics, surfactants, and mycotoxin binders. Safety precautionary measures should be done in handling feeds, ingredients, and feeds additives to avoid biological and chemical hazards. The following are the feeding facilities for goats and sheep.